Welcome to the PVWLaw video library. In this video, we will be discussing HIPAA compliance audits. The Office for Civil Rights, commonly referred to as the OCR, expects to conduct 150 HIPAA compliance audits by December 31st, 2012. The OCR has hired KPMG to perform the audits. In addition to auditing covered entities, the OCR may include business associates as audit targets. For additional information regarding covered entities and business associates, please go to the PVWLaw video library and watch the HIPAA 101 and Business Associate videos. In order to prepare for potential compliance audits, covered entities and business associates should be proactive by taking several steps to ensure that they would pass an OCR compliance audit with flying colors. First, review your HIPAA Notice of Privacy practices to make sure the notice complies with current law. The Notice of Privacy practices should contain updated provisions under the HITECH Act. For instance, patients now have the right to access their protected health information in electronic format upon request, when it is available. There are several other important HITECH changes that should also be reflected in the notice. If your notice has not been updated since 2009, there's a good chance it still needs to be updated to comply with HIPAA and the HITECH Act. The second step to prepare for a potential audit is to plan a test compliance audit for purposes of making sure that your entity and your employees comply with HIPAA both on paper and in practice. The test audit should consider various patient scenarios that you may encounter. The test audit should walk you through each and every area that a true OCR HIPAA compliance audit could potentially cover. The third step is to correct any weaknesses or deficiencies that you encounter during your test audit. Take the time to revise documents as necessary and to educate employees on HIPAA compliance issues. You should not be hesitant to conduct a test audit in fear that certain deficiencies could be exposed. Instead, use the test compliance audit as a learning experience and a tool for proactively preparing for a true HIPAA audit. Finally, the fourth step to prepare for an audit is to complete a risk analysis by assessing the key HIPAA privacy and security risks for your entity. Discuss ways you can minimize and prevent such risks. A risk analysis should be performed in preparation for a potential audit and should also be performed on a regular basis, at least annually. PVWLaw provides complete compliance audits for covered entities and business associates for a flat fee price. We have prepared a HIPAA compliance review program to help covered entities prepare for a potential audit. The program includes an on-site analysis of your entity's HIPAA policies and procedures, as well as an evaluation of current practices, taking time to go through various hypothetical scenarios that could likely arise during an audit. If you are interested in initiating a consultation regarding the PVWLaw Compliance Audit Program, please go to the Client Tools section of our website at pvwlaw.com and select Healthcare Law Forms. Complete the Compliance Audit Intake Form and one of our healthcare law attorneys will respond.